What is body detoxification? By now, you have most likely heard about body detoxification as it is very popular, especially with celebrities. You might have wondered about the idea of colon cleansing and how it works. When you first hear about body detoxification, you may conjure up images in your mind that are unpleasant. Once you understand what body detoxification is and how it works, you will have a different opinion. Body detoxification concentrates on cleaning out your digestive system, usually by drinking a solution that is made to clear out your intestines and give the organs in your digestive system a boost. Although it may sound like a surgical procedure, body detoxification only involves drinking and then going to the bathroom. That is all there is to the procedure. It works to make sure that your digestive system is healthy. When your digestive system is in good working order, your whole body is happy. If your digestive system is not healthy, then your whole body suffers. In order to have a healthy body, you must have a healthy digestive system. But your digestive system is the catch-all for all of the toxins that you take into your body. Even if you are a healthy person who does not smoke, does not drink, and eats only organic foods, you are still taking in toxins. They are in the air that you breathe, the water that you drink, and just about everywhere. These toxins linger in the body and find their way to the digestive system, a vital system that you need to maintain good health. The digestive system is comprised of organs such as the liver, pancreas, kidneys, and intestines. Foods usually enter the digestive system through the stomach and are then passed for processing through the digestive tract. Some foods and drinks that you take in making the kidneys and pancreas work overtime in processing them. All of the organs in the digestive system have a job to do in order to keep your body running in good healthy condition. Once food and drink are processed in the system, it is then eliminated by way of waste. Liquids are eliminated by urine, and solid waste is eliminated through the intestines as feces. In some cases, foods can end up getting stuck in the intestines. There are cases where people have had elements in their intestines for 10 years. The organs also take a beating when it comes to getting rid of toxins, as well as some foods that can be difficult for these organs to process. Simple carbohydrates, for example, are very hard on the kidneys and pancreas as well as the liver, as they tend to pass through quickly and make these organs work overtime. The toxins in the air that you breathe enter through the circulatory system, which brings blood to the organs and blood from the organs. When you smoke, for example, the smoke is absorbed into your bloodstream and carried throughout your body. This negatively affects the digestive system. Even secondhand smoke will take its toll. Your skin is your biggest organ, and when you take a bath or shower using chemicals as are featured in shampoo and soap, you are absorbing toxins into your skin. When you breathe in the air, you take the toxins into your lungs. It is impossible to live your life toxin-free, although a good many people try. You are going to eventually go out and pick up germs that are in the air. It is inevitable that you will come into contact with toxins unless you decide to live your life in a plastic bubble. Body detoxification clears the body of all of the toxins and foods that sit in the digestive system. Not only is it a good way to get the poisons out of your body, but it also works well when it comes to losing weight. Most people find that they can take off quite a few pounds simply by using body detoxification. Drinking body detoxification fluid is similar to taking a barium enema, except you do not have to drink as much and it tastes much better. A barium enema completely clears out your intestines and is usually given to those who are having tests done on their colon or other digestive organs. This eliminates all of the waste from the body and makes you feel lighter. Not only can it get rid of toxins, but it can get rid of any waste that is lingering in your intestines. Drinking the body detoxification formula is one of the first steps toward being healthier. You should also take proper precautions when it comes to your health and eat right, exercise, and avoid bad habits. Body detoxification should be seen as a way to enhance your health, help you lose weight, and keep your digestive system healthy. Good body detoxification will also fill your body with the nutrients that you may be lacking so that you stay healthy as well. Like and subscribe so you can get notified when I drop the video about body detoxification at home and what you need to know. You will learn about the different aspects of body detoxification, who should body cleanse, and even how to make your own body detoxification treatments right at home. If you are looking for a way to lose weight, stay healthy and keep your digestive system in good working order, you can find it by embarking on body detoxification.